Good morning, everyone. How's everybody doing out there? I'm wearing my hat today so nobody can give me crap about my hair, right? Somebody said, why do people give you a hard time about your haircut? I don't know. I really don't care. I could probably pick apart you just as quick as you could pick apart me, right? Anyways, this morning, God, it's overcast. We woke up this morning. It's cloudy. This is actually cleared up from this morning. I was really couldn't even see across the way there over to Batangas. That's how cloudy and rainy it was this morning. But anyways, we're gonna take our little morning walk down the so-called boardwalk, concrete walk as I call it. Show you all that they have done here. Kind of show you what's open. There's Captain Greg's here on the left. No dive today. Rain or shine, you can always dive. You just can't dive during a typhoon or a real bad storm. But it's nice that they have this here. Before it was just dirty, like a dirty walkway that kind of came through here. When it rained, it was muddy. Now they got this here. You can walk up through here. There's the slide dog, best hot dogs in my opinion, in the Philippines. Red Coral Resort. Don't know anything about it.
Maybe you can rent down there, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
They also have a kitchen.
Well, it says they have a kitchen in there.
That's what I think.
That's what she says.
Oh no, that's what Ate.
Okay. There was the old Big Apple. It's for lease, for sale. I mean, you could always walk down through here. It was just a beach line. But mostly you walk back in those alleyways back in there. But it's nice. I think this is nice. I think once it's completely done, it's gonna be really nice. Look at this dive boat. Dive boat full of women. Look, you should join them. It's a dive boat full of women. No? See, with this being open like this, now you can see all into here. Really nice. Wow. It's a woman. This is a women's dive group?
Yeah.
Women's dive group?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. There it is. Look, you could join them. No? Come on, you can go out with your Filipino partners in scuba diving.
Well, I'm dealing with something at
Yeah.
the moment, so I don't know.
Dive you go. Get on a bicycle. See, they got the forms poured right here. They have like a wall that comes up here. Bikini bar boat. Yeah, usually.
Should we eat there?
Yeah, we've eaten in there. This place right here. We've eaten in there. But I like how this is. I mean, before, unless you walked on the beach, you didn't see all this. You had to walk on the beach to see all this. This is nice. I think this is really nice, guys. What's up, buddy?
Remember? Yeah.
Ah, Oakley.
Yes, sir. Polo ride.
Oh, I'm good, buddy. I'm good, thank you.
How
No, I'm good, buddy. Thank you.
about you?
No, thank you. 50 bar. It's like a what? Pool. Pole or pool?
Swimming pool.
Oh, swimming pool. Well, it says pool. Does it end here? I think it ends right here. Kind of ends right here. Sometimes you gotta ask what she's saying. because it might be a pole or it might be a pool. What was the other day you asked me for a pan or a fan?
Pan.
A pan. I said a pan? You mean a fan or a pan? It is pan. Well, that's nice.
Pan.
I mean, this could have been here the whole time.
No, the last time
Might have been here. I don't know, because I've never walked the beach line. I've always taken the little alleyway through. But you can see how muddy it is now. I understand it just rained this morning, so. But this will come down. Supposedly it's going to come all the way down. You can see where it's at, where the concrete framing is. That's pretty run down. And right here is where the alleyway comes out. We always walk down. And then come out through here. Yeah, down here on the left is Craigan's. Another good place to stay, to eat. Somebody asked me, why aren't you staying at Jack Daniel, or why aren't you staying at Captain Greg's? Guys, if we were here for a week or two, I'd be staying there. The only reason we're not is because we're here a month, and we are gonna be cooking meals and save money. Of course, I'm not rich. If you're rich, that's cool. Send me some money. We can both be rich. There it is. But you save money by cooking your own meals.
There's a lot of diver over there.
Yeah, there's quite a few divers out there this morning. Quite a few.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Rain or shine. Here's Craigan's on the left. Good breakfast, good food in here.
I remember before it should be sand over here.
Surf and turf. What?
It should be sand over here.
This was all
Remember?
sandy and rocky.
Remember where the kids jump?
Yeah. But you can see it like kind of goes out and does like a loop around. So you wonder what's going to go right in that open area there.
Playground.
Who knows, huh? This puppy's looking pretty rough. Poor puppy. You tell nobody takes care of him. And here's where it ends, right here. And you pick up this little walkway here.
Baka sa bangko.
Looks like they're doing some construction here. I'm good, buddy. High tide, right? I think it's high tide. We're gonna walk up and walk around the loop here. See, now during low tide, this is all stony and rocky, and it's not like a white beach area. If you want a nice white beach area, go to White Beach. We'll get there this trip down. Take the kids up there, hang out there. So here's the thing. See this guy with the cart here? We'll get back here, you'll see. The only access to take stuff back in through these areas is either bring it in by a boat or put it on a cart. Hello. Hello. So yeah, you gotta wheel everything back through here. Or like I said, on a boat. You gotta take a boat to get back to some of these resorts. Yeah, the one resort back here does helicopter rides. So hey, if you got a ton of money, you want a helicopter ride out of Manila, they'll do it. Look at this view. I always said it's just really nice in here. It's like a little cove. And clean. Pretty clean through here. Boss, look. I know this place here on the left is open. It's not open now. I think maybe more in the evening. It could be open now for dining, for breakfast. Good morning.
Atraso.
Good morning. No, thank you. Souvenirs, you want a t-shirt, you can go in there and get a morning. Get yourself a souvenir. Asian divers. And this has been like this since I can remember coming here, well, a little over a year. So they do have this walk area. I'd like to check this place out sometime. That just looks neat. Little bungalow huts up in there. Outside dining here. El Gallo special. It's just neat looking. Gonna have to go in there and maybe do a walk around in there. El Galleon Beach Resort. Now the sun's out. I can feel it. Feels good. For sale or lease. You want to buy this building? What? Huh? Popcorn?
You need to clean your air. I said lot for less.
Lot for lease. Sound like she said popcorn.
You need to clean your air.
The Frenchies Resort. Dive Center and Resort.
Happy tomorrow.
Just had 2 dives yesterday. Your air is not good.
Yeah. I see quite a few more boats going out diving. That's a good thing. Aura Dive Resort. That's nice back in there too. The thing is, how do you get back in here when you bring you gotta haul all your own stuff back here?
Someone will.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, a porter. You get a porter to come back and bring your stuff back here. Right when you get off the boat, right when you come in, you can always grab a porter to bring your stuff. Yeah, you could swim here.
Yeah.
If you wanted to. Doesn't appear to be as rocky, but I would still wear some type of shoe wear. There's a big boat out there going. Looks like a bunch of divers on that big boat. I am seeing more action on the water here this time that we're down here. Seems like there are more and more. I'm good, buddy. More and more people. That's a good thing. We're just going to come down here to La Vita. We'll get there. I'll show it to you. Good morning. Don't get angry at the vendors. They're only trying to do their job. Just say no and keep on rolling.
Big boat. Maybe you want.
I'm good, buddy. They're trying to sell boat rides and island hopping rides and all the other fun stuff. La Laguna. La Laguna. LV divers. Probably one of the nicest, if not the nicest place down through here. La Laguna Villas. All right, I think that's it. We're not going to walk that way. High tide, so you can't walk that way. That white resort out there still appears to be closed. So, there it is, guys. There's the walk. Guys, from when I turned it on till I got here, 16 minutes. 16 minutes is what my camera is showing right now. Just kind of gives you an idea of what's here. Like I said, if you want beautiful beaches and you want all that, you know, touristy, have a good time, tourists come down here, this is not the area for you. Sabang is nice to visit. There are some bars that I'll show you a little bit later in another video that are open, that come down and drink, and sort of like a little red light district. But beyond that, if you're not a scuba diver, I don't know, I guess this isn't really for you, right? I mean, like I said, if you're looking for the beach, this isn't for you. But if you're a scuba diver, this is the perfect place here. Perfect place. There's dive shops here. There's places you can stay. If you want a month, a week, whatever you're looking for, you can find it here. So, all right, guys, that wraps up my walk. I'm sure we'll be doing more walks down this way in the future, because over that way, if you go up and around the other side, there's another area over there, and I've covered it in other videos. But that's an area over there where you can stay, and they have a nice beach over there. So, all right, guys, with that being said, we will talk to you later.